Good morning, Brian with Grand Roofing, bringing you another video, DIY, anything roof related really for that matter. I got to get up here to do some stuff on this and I'll talk about that here in a minute, but the point of this video, ladder kickouts, ladder standoffs, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to refer to it as. There was a viewer recently on one of the videos that commented about me putting a cushion behind it to cover the gutter. Yeah, I know, the one I've got, I have them. They're bulky as hell, it's not fun to use, it's a Warner. This one this guy commented on was pretty sweet. It's in this box here. We'll go over here in just a minute and why I got it on Amazon, which by the way, Amazon affiliate link down below to this and any other things I can find at no additional cost to you. It does help support the channel here. So please check it out if it's something you think you might need and give it a thumbs up on the way in. The ladder I've got here that I normally carry, the extension ladder, Keller, Warner, I don't even remember, but it's bulky how the Warner goes on. It's got to go into here. It locks into two of these. There's safety pins. It comes out, kicks out. This is super simple. I don't have to fiddle with that, getting it on and off. Why I got that from Amazon, I looked up what this guy commented, found it on the internet, went to Google, whatever, I found it, and it's like, all right, that's a pretty good price. Went to go buy it. By the time I go through the checkout process, I see the shipping charges and all the other crap associated with it. I was like, I don't know this company. They're saying like mid-November delivery. So I ended up going to Amazon, find it. Between the two is like a $6 difference. Well, I get 2-day shipping, great customer service, returnable, whatever. So check it out, link in the description down below if you want it. Let's get into this box here. I'm gonna put the GoPro on. Oh, what I'm doing here is the chimney. No one wanted to do this. It's 2 years old, it's leaking. I'm gonna check the roof over and reflash that. I probably won't do the actual video of the chimney flashing because I want to focus on what I'm doing and not get hurt here. I appreciate y'all watching, but this is when I want to focus on what I'm doing and not get hurt. So it'll be about the safety equipment. We'll go through what I'm going to use and how I'm going to get up there. So first off is the ladder kick out. I'm sorry I can't remember your name, but I really appreciate you taking the time to send me the name of this to look up. Again, this one was from Amazon, right to my door. The other website, it was going to be cheaper, but by the time I paid the shipping and everything, it wasn't worth it. What I like about the look of it, I've not used it yet, this is the first time, but the design of it, it just flexes and pops into the ladder rungs like this right here. You're gonna squeeze it together just gently, get it into your ladder, except it might be an epic fail already. This is too big to get into my ladder. We might have to take these little caps off. But if that's the case, no big deal. Will they go in? Yes. All right, so get kind of an idea of how high this needs to be to get up on your roof. I'm gonna have to extend it, so we're gonna use the top rung. Probably right there is a good starting point. Let me get the ladder out. Get those off. So it's a little snug, but you have to push this in to get it down in there. And then just work it down in there, walk it down in there. Kind of a really tight fit on my ladder, which I think this was a Keller. I don't remember. Your ladder might be a little bit bigger rungs. Epic fail. Huh. Well, can't leave it like that. It's got to go down in there. If it helps, I will measure this later and my ladder and find out what brand this is and let you guys know. I think what I might do is get a hammer and just gently tap this a little to an egg shape so it slides in okay. It doesn't need to make a tight friction fit in here because it's bigger, so it's going to keep itself locked in. Let's try to do that real quick. Let's MacGyver this real fast. Maybe right here like that. hit the top side where it's flat. That might work pretty good. Same here on this. It's gonna be a little fun. What about my truck bumper here? Just gently. Need a stone. Not high enough. Probably gonna flex too much. Nope. Well, I don't think Amazon's gonna allow this to be returned, so we're gonna make it work. Thank you. Alright, I don't want to overdo it. Alright. There we go. Perfect. Let's modify the other one real quick. So it's going to go in this way on there, so I'm going to try to do this side. Yeah. I believe those can still pop on if you want them to. We'll deal with those later. Okay, so a slight modification, unedited, uncut for you guys. Hey, made it work though. So you remember my solution and my motto? Whatever the problem is, find a solution to it. Wham bam, thank you man. We are ready to get this put up on the ladder, or the ladder up on the roof. We'll see how this works. Go up one more. Get your cleats if you're in the grass, something like this. I'd recommend getting them out, stick down into the dirt. Very cautious on what you're setting it on if it's rocky or whatever. Perfect. Totally off of the gutter. Since we're talking about safety and stuff like that, this is awesome. I do this just, it's not gonna blow away. It might shift, but it's not gonna blow down. Had that happen. Figured I'm never gonna let that happen again. All right. Yeah, it's probably not OSHA. Hell, I just broke OSHA rules. Oh my God, sue me. Come get me. Let me just tell you real quick. I'm not hating on OSHA. I'm not hating on safety equipment by any means, but it's my life. No one's forcing me to do this. So before you jump to conclusions and drop comments down below, I'm not telling you what to do or how you live your life. So, you know, it's me. I don't have a boss telling me to do this. So if you do, follow your boss's plans, rules, whatever. And if you're OSHA, go pick on somebody else. All right, let's get started on the next thing. I have my safety harness. It's totally greened out too, by the way, so when you watch this video later, it's just removed off of me by the chromo green screen thingy. I just boop and it disappears. It's amazing. All right, so getting up there, we've got these ladder jacks. They will go wherever you want to put a safety board or a board, a tow board, whatever. You're gonna pop a shingle loose. You're gonna drive a 16 into a truss, hooks down onto it like that. Another one a few feet over. 2x6 rests across it. You got a place to get up to and stage equipment. From there, this can go on the ladder. It will roll up the roof, flip over onto the ridge, and you can pull yourself up. Then the safety harness. You got this pitch hopper, which by the way, the pitch hopper, I'll leave a link right up here to a video I showed. Is on a Mansard face sticking on, really good. Really recommend it. Also the ladder jacks, I'll put a card up here too on a video I did a year or two ago on those as well. Check those out. That's basically it. I don't have time, like I said, to focus on commentary while doing this job. The frost just burned off. I need to get busy and focus on what I'm doing. So I'll wrap up here 10 minutes into the video. If you appreciate it, give it a thumbs up. Really does help support the channel here. There's people looking this information up. YouTube suppresses it. The more engagement, the more retention, the more thumbs up, the more comments. YouTube recommends it to those looking for us. So please help me. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing it for the people that don't even know I exist out there. So until next time, be safe. Check the video card links out. Check in the description. And until next time, be safe. We'll see you then.